Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a 10-minute easy to follow workout for back, abs and hips. Also, you'll see a lot of my bunny here cause I don't keep my pet in a cage and I believe no one should be kept there. So yeah, she really enjoys being her human all the time. I recommend starting with a short warm-up before the workout. Just move and gently stretch your muscles. And now we can start. Lay on your back, put your arms next to your body and lift your legs like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and breathe. Next, put your arms behind your head and very gently hold there. Lift your legs like so and start the cross movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and breathe. Stretch your body and move to the next position. Engage your core muscles and start with your left leg. Kick backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Change legs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax and breathe. And yeah, I'm not doing too many repetitions this time because you guys probably gonna be bored watching me lifting my leg for 15 million times. Next, we're gonna do plank for 20 seconds 3 times. Ready, set, go. Engage core muscles, especially your abs and butt. Keep going, only 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, relax. Stretch and breathe. Okay guys, round 2. Ready, set, go. Engage core muscles, don't let your lower back bend. And only 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, relax. Stretch and breathe. Round 3, the last one. Ready, set, go. Start plank. You're doing great, only 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, stretch and breathe. Next, I'm gonna do some stretch. Move your left leg forward and stretch as much as you feel comfortable. Change your leg and do the same. Don't go too much, especially if it's your first time stretching like this. Next, move on your belly. Roll your body forwards like so and finish in a Cobra Pose to stretch your chest. Roll backwards and relax. Again, move forward like so. Stretch your chest, engage your spine and shoulder muscles. Keep like this for a couple of seconds and go back. Do the same exercise one more time and roll on your left side. Hold your head with your left arm, right arm in front of you and lift both legs. Engage abs and lift right leg like so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and breathe. Roll over and repeat the same with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and breathe. Next, I'm doing hips and legs stretch again. This is super good one for those who works in the office and sits a lot, so stretch only as much as you feel comfortable with. It's always better to stretch gently and regularly instead of excessively and occasionally, cause yeah, you guys really don't wanna hurt yourself. Okay guys, that was my basic and quick everyday workout routine. You can always do more repetitions like 15 or 20 or more instead of 10 like I did. You can stretch yourself for longer, you can do more plank rounds, just do it as much as you prefer. Thanks a lot for watching, stay strong and healthy, love you all so much and we'll hang out in my next week's video. Bye guys!